very good evening. We're keeping a very careful watch on the weather at the moment, specifically over the next few days as we move towards the beginning of 1998. It looks like it could roar in a rather stormy mood. Perhaps not quite so much on New Year's Day, though it'll be windy enough then with some gales, even severe gales, but perhaps the worst of the weather coming towards the weekend as one after another of these low pressure areas sweeps in towards the country, bringing strong winds and heavy rain too. Now, we've got wet and windy weather of a certain amount anyway as far as tonight's concerned. Some strong driving winds bringing in the rain. You can see a wide belt of rain showing on the radar, quite to vast an extent, several hours full of rain to come. Looks like it's come up against a brick wall here in the southeast, but that rain will be moving further eastwards, taking with it also the very strong winds too. So overnight, by the end of the night, many areas will see the winds beginning to calm down a touch, the skies beginning to clear and the drier weather taking over. Now, as the skies clear and the winds do ease a touch, it could get just a little icy in the east of Northern Ireland, some central and eastern parts, and maybe down into the far northeast of England too, because this is where it looks like we'll see the chilliest of the weather as far as tonight's concerned. Now, there'll still be showers out in the west, and they'll be around right from the word go in the morning, some heavy ones, maybe a rumble of thunder, some hail mixed in with them. And those showers frequent in the west and bringing some snow to the high ground of Wales and northwest England and Northern Ireland, particularly snow over the hills in the west of Scotland and even at some low levels there too. In the east, a different sort of story. The last of the rain in the morning will clear away and it'll be mainly bright in eastern districts with sunny spells and only a few showers moving in. It won't be quite so windy for New Year's Eve. Looking ahead though, I think we will see strong winds and heavy rain driving across on New Year's Day, followed by some squally showers, and then perhaps some rather blustery, showery weather generally for Friday, and of course beyond that as well. But that's how it looks just now. Bye-bye.
Wave goodbye to 1997 and say a big hello to the end of the year show with Angus Deaton and a festive feast of talent that includes Dale Winton, Mark Lamar, Errol Brown, and a special performance from opera diva Leslie Garrett. Then it's live to north of the border, breathing in the new year with a little help.
Join me, Carol Smiley, here in Edinburgh for the biggest party of the year, Hogmanay Live.
With the end of the year show at 11 and Hogmanay Live at 12:10, it's sure to be a New Year's Eve to remember on BBC One.
The major stories and events of the past year and what they've meant to the British people is subject for David Dimbleby in his personal review of the year in an hour. Back with Robin Wilkins for the one, Mrs. Doubtfire.